This video will show you how to replace the passenger side front window switch on a GMC Sierra 2500. This will be mounted to your front door panel. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. Locate the passenger side front window switch. Now we're going to remove this entire plastic panel. As we start lifting this up using our plastic trim tool, you're going to find that you have a couple electrical connectors along the back side. Now I'm using my plastic trim tool and I'm getting underneath my trim panel. We'll just gently start prying this up. Now we can see our electrical connectors along the back side here. For the window switch, you're going to find that you have one electrical connector that does need to be disconnected. That's the larger connector here. It has a locking tab where my thumb is. I'm just squeezing that in and we're disconnecting this. A quick inspection on that electrical connector for any corrosion. This looks good. We can set that aside. Now you should not have to disconnect your door lock electrical connector unless you find that you need to bring this over to the bench. Typically this can be done in hand. Now we can focus on our locking tabs. We can see that we have two along this side and there's going to be two on the other side. To start dislodging this, we're going to be using a small pocket screwdriver. You could also use your trim tool as necessary. I'm holding onto the trim panel and I'm pressing on my switch. As I'm gently applying pressure, I'm going to make my way underneath my locking tab. We'll gently start prying that away. Repeat the process for the next locking tab along this area. This should rock out of position. There we are. Now you may find that you have to complete this process on the other side of the switch panel as well. If that's the case, just go ahead and take hold of that switch and we're going to start pulling it out of position. There we are. There it is, friend. Now prior to installation of any brand new part, of course, we need to make sure we clean and inspect our mounting areas. We're looking at this trim panel here. If you're looking along from the back side, we have those four locking tabs. I'm just going to give this a quick wipe. I'm using a clean rag. We'll make sure we clean the other side here as well. Just a thorough inspection to confirm that nothing's damaged in any way. And now it's time for installation of our brand new passenger side front window switch. We're going to take this and we'll bring it into position. Make sure it's in the proper orientation and press it straight towards the panel. We're listening for an audible click from all four tabs. After that, give it a wiggle to confirm it's properly secured in place. And now it's time for our electrical connector. Line up the area for the locking tab. We're going to press this in, listen for a click. There's our click there, a light tug. Now, of course, before we bring this into position, just double check the door panel to make sure it's not damaged in any way. And we can get this down into position here. We're just going to line this up. We're pressing it straight down. Double check to make sure it's secured all the way around. Okay, friend, we finished the installation of our passenger side front window switch. The next thing you need to do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.